If Steam is giving you a JavaScript error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a quick fix step by step. This is a simple method that can help clear out temporary files, reset Steam's configuration, and get Steam running normally again without needing complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. First, we want to fully close Steam. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see everything that's running. Now, look through the list for any Steam processes. You may see Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Client webhelper, or other Steam-related tasks. Select each Steam process and click End Task. This step is important because Steam needs to be completely closed before we clear anything. Once Steam is fully closed, press the Windows key and R together to open the run box. In the field, type %temp% and then press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Inside this folder, you'll likely see a lot of random temporary files and folders. To help clear out corrupted temporary data, select all the files you can and delete them. Don't worry if some files won't delete because they're currently in use. If that happens, just skip those and remove everything else you can. After that cleanup is done, we'll reset Steam's configuration. Again, press Windows and R to open the run box. This time, type Steam:/flushconfig, then press Enter. Steam may not open right away the way you expect, and that's normal. This command tells Steam to flush and refresh its configuration settings, which can help fix launch issues and JavaScript errors caused by a bad local setup. Now, Steam should restart automatically. Give it a moment to load, and when it opens again, sign in if needed and check whether the JavaScript error is gone. In many cases, this simple process of ending Steam completely, clearing temporary files, and flushing the configuration is enough to fix the issue. If Steam still shows the error, you can try repeating the steps carefully one more time, making sure every Steam process is closed before you flush the config. Also, it's a good idea to restart your computer after this process if Steam doesn't open properly right away. That can help make sure all changes take effect, and that's it. You've now gone through a fast and effective way to fix the Steam JavaScript error. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.